If Steam is showing an invalid SSL certificate error, don't panic. In most cases, this is not a Steam server problem. It usually means something on your PC is interrupting the secure connection, like an incorrect clock, bad DNS data, or a corrupted Steam cache. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes first, then the more advanced ones if needed. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's fix it. The first and most important fix is to sync your Windows clock. SSL certificates depend on time, and if your system time is even a little off, Steam may think the certificate is expired or invalid. To do this, right-click the time and date in the bottom right corner of your taskbar, then choose Adjust Date and Time. Make sure Set Time automatically is turned on, then scroll down and click Sync Now. This forces Windows to pull the correct time from the internet. After that, fully close Steam and reopen it. In many cases, that alone solves the problem immediately. If the error is still there, the next step is to flush your DNS. DNS is like your computer's address book for the internet, and sometimes old or corrupted entries can cause handshake problems with Steam. To do this, type CMD into the Windows search bar, right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When the black window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. If you see a success message, that means the DNS cache has been cleared. Restart Steam and check if the SSL error is gone. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing to try is changing your DNS servers, sometimes your ISP's default. DNS can interfere with secure connections, and switching to a more reliable public DNS often helps. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and open either Ethernet or Wi-Fi depending on your connection. Find DNS server assignment and click Edit. Change it from automatic to manual, turn IPv4 on, and enter a trusted DNS address. You can use Google DNS, which is 8.8.8.8 for the preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 for the alternate DNS. Or you can use Cloudflare DNS, which is 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Save the changes, then restart your computer so the new settings fully apply. Now let's clear Steam's internal browser cache. Steam uses a built-in browser for parts of its interface, and if that cache becomes corrupted, SSL issues can appear. Open Steam and go to Settings, then In-Game. Look for Delete Web Browser Data and click it. After that, go to Settings again, choose Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Steam may restart and ask you to sign in again, which is completely normal. Once you log back in, test Steam and see if the certificate error is gone. If you've gone through all of these steps and the issue is still happening, the problem may be caused by antivirus software, a VPN, proxy settings, or a deeper network issue. In that case, temporarily disable any VPN or proxy, make sure your security software is not filtering Steam, and try connecting on a different network if possible, such as a mobile hotspot, just to see whether the error is local to your connection. To recap, the safest and most effective order is first sync your clock, then flush your DNS, then change your DNS servers, and finally clear Steam's browser and download cache. One of those 4 fixes usually solves the invalid SSL certificate error on Steam without needing anything more complicated. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more Steam troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.